Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very crazy and eventful way to close out the day. I mean, the price was down here and then exploded all the way up there. So I realize, like I said, I'm stating the obvious there. But the big question now moving forward becomes, all right, yeah, great move. But is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level down here at 8 cents. Why is 8 cents, or excuse me, 7.5 cents? Why is 7.5 so important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down to 7.5, behave in that manner, then drop to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price literally right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, no pricing goes straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined down there at 7.5 cents. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy here. The party and momentum basically stopped today right up there at 9 cents. So 9 cents will be that first key level to watch moving forward. But really the big dynamic here is there any sort of genuine strength? Let's see if the price can start to show some signs of progress moving forward. And if it can, then it's probably going to draw in plenty of eyeballs and get some more organic momentum. But yeah, Wednesday is going to be very, very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.